Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2012 Mazda 5 in this gray color. This front wheel drive, 4-door, 6-passenger hatchback comes equipped with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine mounted to an automatic transmission. Starting up front with some of the notable exterior features, you've got a nice grille up front with that big Mazda logo just above. As we head to the side here, you'll find the great looking projector beam headlights. And as you come around to the side of the vehicle, you've got the 16-inch alloy rims the vehicle currently rides on, and those are wrapped in the General tires with lots and lots of tread. As an added bonus, this vehicle does come with a second set of rims and tires, so you're prepared for all seasons. As we back up and take a look at the side profile here, you've got a surprisingly compact side profile for a vehicle that seats 6 people. As we head to the back of the vehicle, you'll find the roof-mounted antenna as well as a rear windshield wiper. Back here, of course, you'll also find the Mazda5 badging. If you're looking for an affordable vehicle that fits 6 people but still has all the creature comforts you need, you've found it in this Mazda 5. So let's go ahead and hop inside and get started with all the interior features. Hopping inside this vehicle is nice and easy thanks to the remote keyless entry. Simply hit the unlock button on the key fob and you'll be inside. You'll also notice you've got the flip out key so you can store that conveniently in your pocket. Inside, you've got the very stylish black fabric seating here with the nice design in the center of the seat. Just below here, you'll find the manual seat adjustments, and if you take a look in the footwell there, you've got the nice Mazda 5 floor mats. So let's go ahead and hop inside, fire this vehicle up, and get started with all the bells and whistles. The features inside this Mazda start over here on the driver's side door panel with the controls for the power windows, locks, and mirrors. As an added bonus, your driver's side window is automatic. Underneath, you'll find some additional storage as well as an extra cup holder and speaker integrated into the door panel. Just to the right, you'll find the button to toggle your traction control, as well as a couple of handy storage compartments. Under the steering column here, you've also got the manual adjustment for your tilt and telescoping steering wheel, so you can easily get it in the perfect position. And if you take a look just behind the wheel at the turn signal stalk, you'll notice that this vehicle does come equipped with automatic headlights. And over on the other side, you'll find the automatic windshield wipers, both of which are great set it and forget it features. If we back up and take a look at the wheel here, you've got a very nice 3-spoke steering wheel. And over on the left-hand side here, you'll find the steering wheel mounted audio controls, which includes your volume rocker and track selector buttons. You've also got the audio mode button as well as the mute button. Go ahead and take a look up in the gauge cluster there. You can see at the bottom you've got the digital fuel gauge as well as your odometer. You can see that this vehicle currently has 123,454 kilometers on it. You've also got your 2 different trips there, so you can track those independently. And just to the left of the gauge cluster here, you'll find the dimmer switch. Take a look towards the center of the dash here. You've got this nice little info screen up top, which gives you the time as well as the exterior temperature and the interior temperature. You've also got the audio screen, so you can check what's playing and adjust it without having to take your hands off the wheel. Just below that, you'll find a couple of climate vents as well as the hazard lights. Then you've got your tactile controls for your audio system, and in terms of your audio options here, you can see you've got your standard AM/FM radio as well as a CD player, Sirius XM, and an auxiliary input, so you can be sure that you can listen to your own audio regardless of the type of device that you have. Below that, you'll find the climate controls for the vehicle, and this is a single zone climate control vehicle, but it is automatic, so you can hit the auto button to let the vehicle adjust the fan speed, heat, and placement to get it to your desired temperature. You'll also notice you've got air conditioning for those hot summer days, which is a very important feature to have in the Okanagan. Below that, you'll find the shifter, and as you can see, you can put this vehicle into a standard mode if you're looking to manually shift between the gears. As we continue down here, you've got a nice little storage slot as well as 2 12-volt outlets to keep all the devices charged up. As we continue down here, you've got a couple of cup holders as well as your parking brake, and you've got a nice little extra storage compartment with the carpeted bottom. Over on the passenger side, you'll find a nice little compartment just above the glove box, and then of course you've got your standard glove box with the owner's manual inside. This is also where you'll find your auxiliary input, and you've also got an iPod dock there as well as a USB port. And if you take a look over at the passenger side door panel, you'll find the same great design that we found on the driver's side, as well as of course the controls for the power locks and the passenger side window. Taking a look up top, you'll find a couple of handy interior lights, as well as the speakers for your aftermarket Parrot Bluetooth hands-free calling device. And that concludes the features up front, so let's go ahead and hop in back and take a look at some of the features in the rear of this vehicle. One of the most convenient features of this Mazda 5 is that it has sliding rear doors, so you can easily access your second and third row. You'll also notice you've got the second row captain's chairs here with armrests on either side. Back here you'll also find a couple of climate vents as well as climate controls to help keep the rear passengers comfortable. And you've also got a nice little handy storage pocket in the back of the passenger side seat. Accessing the third row is nice and easy. You can go through the center here, or you can slide the seat forward with the latch underneath on either side, giving you nice and easy access to that third row with the 2 additional seats. You've also got a cup holder on either side there for your third row passengers. And an extra added bonus is that you've got additional storage compartments under the second row captain's chairs on either side. So we'll go ahead and take a look in back here. You'll be pleasantly surprised with the amount of cargo space. Of course, that's limited when you have the third row up, but you still do have a little bit of cargo space back here. Of course, you can easily expand that by folding these rear seats down with the tab in the back of the seat here. And once you do that, you've got lots and lots of interior cargo space. You'll also notice over on the left-hand side here, you've got a 12-volt outlet. And over on the other side, you'll find a nice interior light. If you take a look underneath here, you'll find the tools to change a flat in case you ever get one. And of course, your spare tire is located just underneath. That concludes this short video walk around, but this affordable 6-passenger vehicle will not last long, so make sure you stop by Kelowna Toyota, located at 1200 Leithhead Road, or visit us online at KelownaToyota.com for more information. We look forward to seeing you soon.